Okay, went to the store, got the new oars. I left the oars up in the garage, the new oars up at the garage, but I also got the plug. I'm going to try that out. And then I'm going to grab the old oars and bring them up there and transfer these over to the new ones. I imagine they should work. The new oars are 5.5 feet long, so almost the same as these. But let's try this plug and see if it goes in. Let me clear it out there. In. And there we go. It's in. Yep. Perfect. There, I got that all done. Yeah, may as well just leave it here. Oh man, I was going to get look at like some of the bolt cover stuff or something. Dang it! I didn't think of that while I was at the store. I actually thought of it after I finished the last video clip. As I was walking away, I thought maybe I'll look at bolt covers too, and I forgot when I was up there. Oh shoot! Well, next time I'm gonna have to remember that. But I'm gonna grab these old oars and bring them up to the garage and get to work on transferring those over. Okay, we're up in the garage here. There's the new oars and the old ones. And already checked the sizes. It's 9/16 for both sides of those. I think I only have to do only one side. I don't have to take that side off. I think I should be able just to take this side off and then just, it should come off. But I noticed that these oars are narrower than these ones. I'm thinking we'll have to see if they work. I can still tighten those further in, so but we'll see how it works. Perhaps they just don't make them like they used to. But I got the GoPro set up, and I'm going to get that recording, and I think I'll just be filming just doing one oar, because it's just the same thing anyways, so. Alright, I'll get to work. It's a 1/2 inch. Off. Right up there, I guess. Right about there. And make sure I have the paddle the correct angle. That's about right. There we go. One down. There's way up there, roll. I gotta make sure I get that. Yep, that'll do. There. Just like so. Now I'll bring the oars out to the boat. There we go. Back at the boat, as you can see with the oars. I set the GoPro up there. I'm going to, just for the fun of it, I'm going to take and put the oars into their little holes there on each side, just for the fun of it, see how it looks. So let's turn on the GoPro and let's record that. Got the GoPro just sitting the suction cup mount, but it's not suction cupped on. Hopefully it won't fall over. But anyways, let's got the oars here. Let's stick them in here. Aha, there we go. Just like so. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. We got the paddle facing the angle the right direction to be able to. Oh. Stay there. There. In the water and paddle. One. And put it down underneath here. some fun of it. There we go. See if we take this. Oh. Oh. No, wait, other direction. That's forward. We'll do like this. Oh. Oh. There we go. There we go. I believe it'll work. Got the oars finished now. There we go. Nice to have that done. So, still no motor though. Okay, like I said, just before I switched over from the GoPro to here, get new bungee cords. These are too old. I wonder if I should just get different kind of, straps instead of the, because otherwise I think I can bounce too much. But we'll see. But that's one thing I have to do. Another thing, of course, I need to get a rope for the anchor. And I think probably the next video, the rope is going to be the next focus. I think I'll probably unravel this all the way, just check the rope and see if it needs to be replaced or not. It looks good from here. It could be totally fine, but I'll probably just unroll that totally and take a good look at it. And I'll replace that if needed, and then of course get the rope for the anchor. And get a boat cover, get the boat license and trailer all licensed up. It'll be set as far as that, and then the only thing left after that would be the boat motor. So we do have an electric trolling motor already. It's a really old one, but we did hook it up to a battery and it does work. At least it did in the garage. Didn't have any water for resistance or anything, but anyways, that's where we're at right now, and that does it for this video. And so far this project's really been something else. I'm glad I've got this far anyways. I haven't had a chance to go out fishing yet, except for my first 2 videos before I switch over to preparing the boat. But the challenge is the boat motor. I want to get a good one that doesn't conk out right away. So anyways, alright, now it's thanks for watching this video. That does it. So see you in the next video.